The Shaheen III Missile System. India should think twice. The Shaheen III Missile System is a crucial component of Pakistan's military capabilities and strategic defense against potential threats. Developed as part of the Shaheen program, it is a solid fuel system designed in response to India's Agni-III. With a range of 2,750 kilometers, the successful launch of the Shaheen III on March 9, 2015, marked a major milestone in Pakistan's military history. The Shaheen III missile, developed as part of the Shaheen program, is a solid fuel system designed in response to India's Agni-III. The successful launch of the missile on March 9, 2015, marked a significant achievement, as it boasts a range of 2,750 kilometers, capable of striking all of India and reaching into parts of North Africa and the Middle East. According to a former Director General of Pakistan's Strategic Plans Division, the Shaheen III is specifically designed to reach the Andaman and Nicobar Islands so that India cannot use them as strategic bases for a second strike capability. As of June 2017, the Shaheen III missile was not yet operationally deployed, according to estimates from the U.S. Air Force National Air and Space Intelligence Center. However, the successful launch of the Shaheen III marks a major milestone, surpassing the range of the Shaheen II and becoming the longest-range missile launched by the military. The Shaheen III missile system is a crucial component of Pakistan's military capabilities and strategic defense against potential threats. With its range greater than any other missile system currently in service with Pakistan, it sends a strong message of deterrence to any potential adversaries. The retired senior commander in the Pakistan Air Force, Air Marshal Shahid Latif, asserts that the Shaheen III eliminates India's safe havens and sends a loud message that if hurt, Pakistan will respond in kind. Despite this, experts believe that Pakistan's military is not interested in a direct arms race with India and is potentially developing multiple warhead capabilities for its missiles. These advancements are a testament to Pakistan's commitment to maintaining a strong and effective defense system. Turkey is also exploring the possibility of forging a military partnership with Pakistan for the co-production of combat jets and missiles. The high-level discussions, which took place as recently as January of this year, centered around Turkey's plans to develop and manufacture hardware in collaboration with Pakistan. It is unclear whether the two nations are close to reaching any agreements or if there will be further meetings in the future. The partnership could potentially clear the way for Turkey to gain access to China's war technology. In conclusion, the Shaheen III missile system is a defining moment in Pakistan's military capabilities, showing its commitment to maintaining a strong and effective defense system. The successful launch of the missile surpasses the range of the Shaheen II, making it the longest-range missile launched by the military. With Turkey exploring the possibility of forging a military partnership with Pakistan, the future of military hardware production and access to war technology looks bright for both nations.